Hello guys, good afternoon. So nandito kami ngayon dito sa favorite naming kainan na Japanese restaurant. So kakain kami ng lunch dahil 1 o'clock PM na. At ito, pumipili kami kung ano ang kakainin namin for lunch.
Wakame, I don't know what that is.
I like the noodles.
They got crab meat salad. So you can get the noodle soup and crab meat salad for $2.50.
Yeah,
Yeah, you want to try that?
yeah.
I guess wakame is the salad that we had the last time.
Oh, like the normal,
I don't know what it was like. I can't remember.
like a garden salad.
Oh, okay. So let's do the noodle soup and the crab meat salad for
Two kinds?
$2.50. Yeah.
Okay.
You get the soup and you get the salad. And then we'll do 2 of these and it's 18 pieces altogether for you and me.
At ayan, hinihintay na namin ang aming order. So maghahay kami sa inyo guys. So ang in-order namin ay soup, tsaka yung lobster salad, at tsaka sushi, yung aming main course. At ito na guys, na-serve na kaagad itong soup, yung kanilang inuna. Gusto ko sanang ipakita yung picture, kaya lang hindi ko mai-upload for some reason. Ito ay yung kanilang soup with noodles. Masarap naman siya guys. Buti na lang meron namang Japanese restaurant na dito sa Toronto, kaya kahit na hindi man kami makarating ng Japan ay nakakatikim tayo ng mga masasarap na pagkain na Japanese food. At masarap naman itong soup guys na kanilang sinerve sa amin. At ito naman yung kanilang lobster salad. Napakasarap ng salad na ito. Napakalasa, malinamnam. At nilagyan siya ng isang asparagus na steam. Meron din siyang cherry tomatoes. At saka avocado. Napakasarap talaga guys. Very refreshing ang lasa. Iba talaga ang sarap ng Japanese food.
So good.
Sa iba rin yung sarap ng Korean food, pero masarap talaga ang Japanese food.
Good.
Avocado. Good, huh?
Yeah. You can buy it like this, you know?
Where?
It's in a can.
The lobster?
Mm-hmm.
What kind? How?
But you have to look for it. I don't think this is from a can, obviously.
At ito naman yung in-order namin na sushi. Ito yung bilang ng isang order sa isang person, guys. Ayan. Bali, ito yung isang platter. Meron siyang, nakalimutan ko ilang pirasong sushi. Parang 18 yata. Ayan, ang sasarap nilang sushi, guys. Kaya gustong gusto namin pumunta dito dahil sa kanilang masarap na sushi.
You ready or no problem? Just let me know, okay?
These ones.
Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo ito, guys. Ito yung favorite ko. Ito yung eel na sushi. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dito sa, parang nakalagay lang siya sa ibabaw na may rice sa ilalim. I'm sure hindi ito roll pero hindi ko alam yung pangalan. Ayan, favorite ko tong klaseng sushi na ito. At ito naman yung klase ng sushi roll na kasali doon sa platter na in-order namin. Bali, tig-isa kaming platter at naubos namin, guys. I'm sure hindi na kami magdi-dinner mamaya. At ito naman, guys, ang aming green tea ice cream. Ito na yung aming dessert. Thank you so much for watching.